Hey folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is an Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2019. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to nudge clips on the timeline using the arrow keys. All you need to do is select the clips that you want to nudge. Press the Command key on a Mac, Control on a PC. Tap the right arrow to nudge one frame at a time to the right. Tap the left arrow and you will nudge one frame to the left. If you add the Shift key, so Shift Command, tap on the right arrow, you will now nudge the frames forward 5 frames at a time. Shift Command and the left arrow will nudge it backwards 5 frames at a time. And a bonus nudge tip, you can nudge clips up and down on the timeline. This works best if the video layers are not linked with the audio layer. So simply select the video layer, press the Option key, tap the up arrow to move up the timeline, and press the down arrow if you want to move it back down. You can do the exact same thing with the audio. I have the Option key pressed. I'm going to tap on the down arrow to move it down. I'm going to tap on the up arrow to move it back. My name is Mike Murphy, and that is how you nudge clips in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2019. Cheers!